As I told you before, we are going to show you step by step how to fix a gypsum ceiling. Now we are taking the levels. We need to take the levels just to make sure that we have a straight level. If you realize, if you look at the slab, it's not straight. If you look at the slab and the beam, it is not straight on a straight line. So we have to take our own levels from the slab. That's what we are doing. That's our technicians there. They are going to take the levels from one end to the other end and mark the areas. So I'll show you that. Until the water is steady, and then he will put a mark. Once he puts a mark there with a pencil, that's the mark there. So this mark here in pencil, that small pencil line, third corner, and now we get our level. All the levels, we get it from the first one. We go back to our first level, we look at our mark. Guys, if you can look at the outside, you see some water inside. That water is the one that is giving us the level. Then we go back here, get when the water is still, not shaking, it is still and not shaking, and it's on the level of the other side, the first mark. Then we put our mark over there. You have to wait until the water stands still. Then after the water is stand still and it's on the mark, first mark, then you do a pencil mark over there, that corner. So that means this mark here and the first one, they're on the same level, and on the second one. That's our third level, guys, we've taken. So we are going to our fourth. we are going to our fourth level. We are going to our fourth level. So what we need to do is take a chalk line and make a straight line to join the 4 marks. Then we will have our straight line, straight ceiling, and a flat ceiling. Guys, as I told you earlier, if you look at the slab, you will see it better on the other side. If you look at the slab, between the slab and the beam, this is the ring beam, the line is not straight. The slab is sinking inside in some areas. It's so wavy that cannot give us a straight ceiling. That's why we are taking our own levels so that our ceiling can be straight. So the next step is to take the chalk line, put it on the mark on the far end, and on the mark on this other end, and then we draw a line. That's called a chalk line, guys. Once we do that, you can see the line here. You can see the line. So if you look at the line, my line is very straight. If you compare the line and the ceiling, you'll see some waves. So we could not follow the ceiling. We had to do our own levels to get our slab correct. So guys, as I said, just stay tuned. We are going to take you step by step as we build this gypsum ceiling together. I'm going to show you how we do it. Now we are going to do our second line. So we go to the mark at the far end. Our mark there. Then we go to our mark here. Then we draw our line. So that is our second line. As you can see, very straight. Very straight. So we will go to our third line. We have to do that until we get all the 4 lines. We will go to our third line and the fourth one. Once we finish that, then we will start setting up our ceiling. Just stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show you everything step by step as we continue. So you can learn how to do a gypsum at your home by yourself. You don't need to call the technician. guys, and today we don't have power. The generator is making a lot of noise, but I hope you guys can hear me. I'm new to this YouTube thing, so don't worry how I'm doing my presentation. It's not what you expected. Don't worry, as we do it more and more and more, we'll get better and better and better. So we are doing our last, we're taking our last line. Going to do our last line. Our last line is over there. We did it. That's our last line, guys. That's our last line. We have 4 lines done. So now from here we go doing the actual measurements now. That line is not the exact place where our ceiling will be. That is just a guideline that will guide us to show us that that is the level that we have. So from that level we are going to take our measurements. We'll either go up or go down by choosing the same line. So we'll either go up or go down using the same line. Stay tuned, we'll show you everything as we go ahead. Okay guys, we are back again. We are going to have what we call an indirect lighting. We call it snake light, some call it indirect lighting. We want to do it along the pillar. So those are the measurements we're going to take next. We're going to measure 250 millimeters from the beam at this side and also on the other side. Then you're going to do a line. We're going to take a line. Now this line, second line, we are going to do it on the ceiling and not on the beam. We are going to take that measurement there is 250 millimeters. 250 millimeters. He's taking 250 millimeters from the beam onto the ceiling. Then we will do our line on the ceiling and not on the beam. That will help us get a straight line of our ceiling as it falls down and gives us a space in between the ceiling and the beam to create an indirect lighting. So we are also going to repeat that at the 4 corners. This is our third line, guys. We are still doing 250 millimeters from the beam. 250 millimeter. Then we will do our third line on the ceiling. On the ceiling and not on the beam. On the ceiling. The first line was done on the beam. The second line we are doing it on the ceiling. The reason being is we want to have a shadow gap between our gypsum ceiling and the beam. There will be a shadow gap. We will do a snake lighting over there. Our ceiling will not hit the beam directly. It will leave a gap in between, which will be used to illuminate the lighting that you're going to put inside. So we have one more to go. One more to finish that. So we do the same on the other end. Guys, we are doing our last mark. Okay, not last, but the fourth one on the ceiling. The fourth one on the ceiling. We have already done our markings over there and there. So it's just a matter of the line, and I think you can see it. See the line. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's called In Concept Interior Studios. That's our number there. If you want any interior job done for you, we do a lot of jobs. We do kitchen cabinetry, we do gypsum ceilings, we do furniture, we soft furnishing, we do tiling. Basically, we do all the interior finishes for the buildings, both high-end, medium, and also small scale. So don't forget to hit our button, call us, book an appointment, and subscribe to this channel and see most of our work. Our social media handle at Instagram, you'll find that at inconcept_interiors_studio. You'll see most of our work there. So guys, please subscribe to this channel and support us.
What's up guys, it's Maro here with Mr. Paul. That's not your YouTube name.
My YouTube name is In Concept.
Okay. In Concept Interior Studios.
Yeah.
I see you guys are really professional. I've seen even your guys wearing. You're the only guys following protocol, not protocol. Construction. How do you say it?
Yeah, it's procedure. Yeah.
You know, here we are in the village. We just do things. We call it chwara chwara.
We try to do this because also for marketing.
Okay.
When you're shooting our video,
Yes.
somebody will see the company.
It's a serious
number.
man.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the company here. Let me help you to show them. This is the company right here, guys. And they're actually... So what's the plan? You guys are doing something here which I don't know what's going on.
Okay, what we've been doing is, you can see we've done some lines, some levels.
Oh, I see some line, yeah.
We've been taking levels.
Okay.
Because when you look at the slab, right?
Let me show them. Let me show them. Guys, there's a line here. I think you can see
Yeah.
a red line right there. Uh-huh. Yes.
If you look at the slab, especially on that side, you
Yeah.
see it has some waves, yeah?
A lot of waves.
Yeah, a lot of waves. So the slab is not very straight. So we have to do our line.
Okay.
It's very straight. Otherwise, if we don't do that, the ceiling will not be straight. So we
I
have
see.
To, we don't need to go with the slab. We have to go with our line.
Okay.
So that we've taken the levels.
Okay.
Yeah. So we want now to start to do the channel.
So for my camera, sorry, I just put my camera on. Introduce yourself now.
Okay, my name is Charles
Yes.
from In Concept Interiors
Okay.
Studio. That is our company. We do interior design. We are here at Marwa.
This is his...
Yeah.
Wow.
That's our company.
Yes.
Yeah, we are at Marwa to do. We are doing the gypsum ceiling for the lobby.
Okay.
Now we are designing it now.
Okay.
Yeah. If
So
they go
first-
to my,
yeah.
they go to my YouTube channel.
Yes.
I will upload.
Okay.
I've explained everything, what we've done, why we are doing the lines.
Okay.
And this process, I'm going to show them
Yes.
step by step on how we are coming up.
So
with it.
what are we trying to create?
We are
Or
trying
we,
to
we should
create-
keep it private for people to see.
I think I've told them to follow the process.
Okay,
so
yes.
I think let them follow the video.
To see
you
what-
also do your video shoot.
Okay.
So as we
But
go
let's
on,
just give them a little bit the
we
idea.
want to decorate the ceiling
Yes.
using gypsum ceiling.
Okay.
And also do some lighting, modern lighting.
Wow.
So we just want to, they follow the process, they'll see how we come up with the ceiling step by
Wow.
step.
So today you guys put a ladder here or a table to
Yeah, we had to do this because the
the height of the
height
house.
is too high. So we had to do this so that mason can reach the ceiling easier.
Okay.
If we were in Nairobi, we could have done the scaffoldings. But
Yes,
because we're
but in the village,
we decided to use
the local
poles
design.
and the trap.
Yes.
Yeah.
So just somebody wants to contact you. Can you say your number in the screen just in case? +254. Oh, it's right here. But this is Kenyan. You have to put international.
Okay. So it's +254
Okay.
723
Okay.
+254 723 773898.
Yes, guys, all you have to do is take a plus and take off the zero. +254 723 3898.
That's the name of the YouTube channel.
In Concept Studio, in Concept Interior Studio. That's the name
our
of the
YouTube
YouTube
name.
channel. Yeah, I was making a joke on my channel saying, on his channel saying they are the only people who look professional here. The rest of us, we are looking like we are just villagers. All right.
Yeah,
So,
we want to show them next time they come.
yes.
They should also come with the dust coats and helmet and also advertise their company.
All right. Guys, they're doing an amazing job here, and we're going to just follow the process. I show you what will happen here. We will show you step by step. Follow his YouTube channel actually here, In Concept Interior Studios, for you to see everything. We are putting a beautiful ceiling here. Super beautiful. You need to show me a picture so I know we are in the same line before me, just personally.
Okay, fine.
All right, guys.
Okay.
Please, if you're watching this from Ayamara, support my brother here, Mr. Ebole.
Thank you so much.
And he's been very patient with me. What have you learned so far being around me?
I've learned that.
You see me on YouTube before, and now you believe in me.
Yeah, sometimes I wake up and I'm like, did I go to Marlo's place? The other day I went in Nairobi and I wake up and I'm in my bed and I'm like, did I just come from Marlo's place?
Yeah.
And the other time I spent here, I woke up. I'm like, am I in Nyabohanse?
Yes.
Yeah, it's been, I've really wanted to meet you for a long time.
Okay.
Yeah, I even tried sending you a message on Instagram.
But now you're here.
Yeah, but now I'm here.
All right.
So I'm happy I've been here. I know you're a very busy guy.
You've seen what happens in the
very
ground.
busy guy.
I am the guy in the center. If I don't move around, I lose a lot of money.
Actually, you need to get someone to help you to run some errands.
Like now, my PA disappeared. Now I'm not complaining, but my other PA now is very busy doing her business. So I'll find somebody.
At least, especially the construction stuff that you're doing.
You know, the problem with that, actually, I'll find one guy that he will be moving around and he's able to hire and fire.
You need to get someone.
Yes.
Because you're the same guy who will go at the gate and tell them, oh, that pillar is not straight.
Yeah.
You are at the welding telling him, I want this done, this. You are at the wall. They are constructing the wall. You are showing them everything. So.
Yes.
And then you're here, you want to pay the workers.
Yes, it's
again,
too much.
You have so many YouTube out there, they want to do collabs with you.
Wow.
And people are coming, bringing gifts, you need to receive them. So,
It's
but
too much.
you do a lot of work. You do a lot of work. So you need to take some,
Even rest.
you rest a little bit early.
Yeah.
And get enough sleep.
Yeah.
And eat. Have you taken lunch today?
No.
Why?
I just ate one sugar cane.
You should eat, you will fall down.
I will one day, I swear.
Yeah, just make sure you eat a balanced diet meal, a very healthy meal.
Yeah.
It will
I
help
tend to
you
eat
because
vegetables.
you're doing so much work.
All right, guys, let Mr. Ebola here.
Yeah,
Please,
let's
subscribe
continue.
to his YouTube channel, and I want you to follow the process. This is the before.
Yeah,
Later, you'll
before,
see
yeah.
something now.
Yeah.
Actually, I need to call my light guy. One thing I don't know, Mr. Ebola.
I have my own electrician.
Oh, is he?
The lights we are doing here, they
Yeah.
are technical lighting, sir.
Okay.
So I have a guy, my electrician. He's coming the day after tomorrow.
Wow, I
Yeah,
didn't
I'm
know
going to
that.
work with him.
Yes, please bring him. Bring him. At
Because the
least.
lights we are going to use here,
Yeah.
some of them need to be programmed,
Okay.
and I need somebody that understands how to
That,
work.
yeah, my electrician is purely village guy. Him, he knows the wires running and some lights.
We just need him to show us
Yeah.
the connection and the points and the switches.
Yeah.
Then we'll do our own wiring, our own lightings.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Let it be 8 minutes. Anytime you're filming a video with 8 minutes, you can monetize it in a bigger way.
Okay.
Yes. But anyway, guys, this is Mr. Ebola. He came to help me here. I'll say actually help. At the same time to advertise his company. But here is the test. You guys will see. This looks right now like this. Let's wait in the next 5 days. We see how this place will be so transformed. And Mr. Ebola, feel free to advise me on anything. You know, you're a
If I see
construction guy.
anything, I'll advise.
First, actually, you forgot to tell people like what you do. Maybe this will be your viral video. You never know.
Okay.
Yes.
My name is Mr. Ebole from In Concept Interiors. In
Yes.
Concept Interiors, we do we design and build interiors.
Okay.
So we are interior contractors,
Okay.
but we also do design work.
Wow.
So from the design concept, we discuss with the client. Once the client comes to we agree on the concept,
Yeah.
then we actualize it by building it. So we do all the interior finishes.
Wow.
We do the tiling.
Yes.
We do kitchen
Oh, you
cabinetry.
do? Wow.
Yeah, we do kitchen cabinetry. We do paint work. We have a team on every department. We have a team for every department.
Wow.
We also do gypsum ceilings.
Wow.
What we are doing here.
Yes.
We do kitchen cabinetry, wardrobes, and basically all the interior finishes we can do. Once the main contractor has finished the structure, you can come in and finish the house for you.
Wow.
Yeah. So that's
But do
our.
you build the house from scratch or just interiors?
We do interiors, but from next year,
Yes.
we are incorporating a construction company
Okay.
whereby we'll start from the building.
Okay.
Because we've realized that when we go to so many sites,
Yeah.
we have to demolish, like what we've done there.
Yeah. To fit
You go
in.
to a house, you find maybe the kitchen was not enough space. Like I took your laundry away,
Yeah. I realized that.
and we had to extend your kitchen because we didn't have enough space.
Yes.
So we just decided that from next year, we will incorporate a construction company. We have an architect on board.
Okay.
We have contractors who can do good structures, superstructures. The process is going. So from next year, we'll be building from scratch to complete.
Wow.
Yeah.
Next year is 2 months from now. If you're watching this video, it's 2 months old. Then you can talk to Mr. Ebolet. Build your house from scratch till the end. Anyway, guys, I want to run because the generator is also running. And please subscribe to Mr. Ebolet and let's give him time to see his work here. Thank you so much. If you're watching from Amara, please subscribe to Mr. Ebolet. Send him a message. And thank you and bye-bye.
Thank you guys, welcome.
And bye-bye, guys.
And subscribe to I am
Please
Marwa.
subscribe, yes.
And subscribe also to our channel in Concept Interior.
All right.
Okay.